For it is God who works in you to will and to act in order to fulfill his good purpose. Philippians chapter 2 verses 13. Hello family, very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Today we are going to make the most easiest snack or treat, rock buns. I'm going to show you two ways to make this. It is absolutely easy and pocket friendly for you and the kids to snack on. Let's get started. So I made quite a batch, so I'm using 2.1 kilos of all-purpose flour. Please use soft flour if you are in Ghana. 340 grams of sugar, 330 grams of margarine. Use butter, it works as well. And I have here 3 eggs, half liter of milk. You can also use evaporated milk if that is what you have. Okay, so we have half lemon and a tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. That is all family. So you are going to go ahead and put your flour in a big bowl, easier for you to work with. Make sure there is no lumps in the flour. Add your sugar and add your salt and baking powder. Make sure everything is well mixed together and then add your margarine or butter. Go ahead and mix everything until it becomes this flaky. Set it aside and go ahead and combine the wet ingredients, that is the milk and the eggs, and also grate the zest of the lemon. Okay, add everything and whisk it. Also add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, but lately your girl is not loving vanilla essence. I just love the zest of fruits. Okay, so do whatever works for you. So go ahead, whisk it until it is fluffy. Then you go ahead and add it to the flour mix and you go ahead and mix it until everything is well combined. That is it family, as easy as that. And if you do not want to make as many as this, you can definitely go ahead and adjust it to the amount of rock buns you need. I made in total 24 pieces, 12 of the fried ones and 12 of the baked ones. And as you're mixing, if you have a mixer, you can definitely use it or use your hand if you are okay with it. I went ahead to use this spatula that is not too tough resistant. This dough is very tough and it can end up breaking this spatula, so please be mindful of that. I use the bankuta, the one we use for our bankum, and it worked very well. So if you have some at home, use that and you will be glad you did. Okay, don't be like me. So yes, this is the consistency that you will need. Once you're done, you do not need to rest the dough or anything. Go ahead and put it on your baking sheet. Here I use my muffin forms. You can use any form that you prefer. Okay, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. A little bit of butter or flour for easier removal once everything is well done. Okay, go ahead and place your dough in it, fill it up, and be cautious about it because it's going to also double in size, so you don't want to be taking big sizes. Okay, go ahead and fill everything up and it is ready for the oven. You can choose to also add some black seed, even chocolate. You go ahead and do you. It is so versatile. You go ahead and preheat your oven at 170 degrees for about 5 minutes and set it in. It has to be in for about 15 minutes and you will be good to go. The remaining one we're about to fry it, and as usual, put in your oil, make sure it is heated up, and then drop your rock bands in. It does not have to be perfect. Just drop it anyhow you want. Back home, you know, the forms are really rough. So when I was young, I called it rough bands, not rock bands. So I got to know that it is not rough bands, but rock band. So go ahead, turn it until they are golden and crispy. It is so good, so good. When I tell you this is an absolute no fail recipe, you want to believe me, right? Because this can be done with your eyes closed. Look at how I'm dropping it. This is exactly how back home they used to drop theirs, and it makes it more crispier and crunchier on the outside. It's so good, family. You need to try this, and it takes just like under 20 minutes to get this done. And once fried like this, oh, so tempting. The aroma, so amazing. You have to try this, okay, family? You are definitely going to love it. I know for sure. Just look at this. The inside, my goodness, so good. And just look at the inside as well, super soft. Now let's check on the ones that we baked. So there you have it. It has been baked. Very gorgeous, smells amazing, and it also have some crunchy to it, and it's so good. And with the baking, one thing is you save money on the oil, and you save a little bit of time as well, and it's very well shaped. That is what I love about the oven one. Okay, so go ahead and choose your choice depending on your mood. You go ahead and choose whether to bake or to fry it. Okay, imagine having some afternoon tea with this. Absolutely delicious. You have to really try this, fam. And with this at home, the kids are sorted. You don't have to worry about buying any snack or treat at all. They're so inexpensive and very easy to make. With a fried one, I'll go with some Fanta and I'll be so good to go. They are so delicious and crunchy. Thank you so very much, family, for watching right to the end. Please be sure to like, share to few friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Bye.